How to make money selling digital downloads on Etsy step by step. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video I will share to you guys how you can easily make money by selling digital products or downloadable products here on Etsy. And also I will share to you guys where you can create your downloadable artwork or your graphic designs and how you can market your items on Etsy to get more sales. So there are a lot of downloadable products that you can create and sell here on Etsy. For example, from sewing pattern, printable wallpaper, printable wall art, digital art, party or wedding printable designs, music, social media or resume templates, and more. Offering digital downloads is one way you can add more listing to your shop and also exercise your creativity. Plus, selling digital downloads can also be a low maintenance way to stay in touch with your creative and entrepreneurial passions. So, Etsy will let you run a shop without having to worry about your inventory and about your shipping. So, if you are selling downloadable files or products here on Etsy, all you need to do is to create your own downloadable products and then upload it here on Etsy so that your customer will just pay you and then download your file. So that's how easy you can sell digital products or downloadable products here on Etsy. So if you are into graphic designs or if you want to sell printable items here on Etsy, then I have a perfect software for you to use. This software is Canva, so just visit canva.com. So Canva is a free software for graphic designs. You can create here printable planner, wallpaper design, t-shirt design, or mug printable design. You can also create here social media design, or you can also create your digital templates here. So for today's video, I will show you guys how you can easily create your own printable item here on Canva and how you can sell it on Etsy and how you can market it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and click this button, the create a design, here at the top right corner. And over here, I will just go ahead and choose the custom size, and I will be entering here 8 by 10 inches. So we already have it here. So you can change this one from pixel to inches or centimeter if you like to. So let me just go ahead and choose 8 by 10 inches for our digital printable design that we will be creating here inside Canva. So I already have this design. Let me just recreate that and show it to you guys. So here, let's go ahead and start our designs. I will go ahead and go to elements and I will search here for a cute bear. And here you also have option to select graphics so that you will get all the graphic results. And these are the elements that you can easily drag and drop to your design. But let me go ahead and delete that one. So what I do here is that sometimes I go to Google and then I just search for the cute bear cartoon, and then I will just go to images for me to get images result, and then I just go to tools and go to the color. So you have the selection here to choose any color for me to get images result, and then I just go to tools and go to the color. So you have the selection here to choose any color, black and white and transparent, and I will just go ahead and select transparent for me to get the result of images with transparent background, something like this, for me to get images result. And then I just go to tools and go to the color. So you have the selection here to choose any color, black and white and transparent, and I will just go ahead and select transparent for me to get the result of images with transparent background, something like this, for me to get images result. And then I just go to tools and go to the color. So you have the selection here to choose any color, black and white and transparent, and I will just go ahead and select transparent for me to get the result of images with transparent background, something like this. Have now our cute bear. I will just go ahead and resize it, and I will just moving it here. It will depend on you guys how you will design your printable. So I will just move it here, and then I will just search for floral here. Alright, so I have now the graphic result here for floral. Let me just drag and drop it here. Or let me just go ahead and resize it. Let me try to move it backward. Alright, so maybe something like that. That is so cute. And then here we can add our text. So you can add some quotes here. It can be motivational or inspiring quotes. So you just need to go to Google and search for good quotes that you can make use of in your design. So let me just go ahead and add some text here. So let me just move it here. I will just type my text here. Something like that. And then over here you can change the font style of your text. So let's say this one. Alright, so that is good. Let me go ahead and also highlight this one. And let's change this. Let's make use of different font style. Just to have two different font style in our text. So I guess that looks better. So this is a simple printable, guys, that I will be showing to you. But if you want to have amazing printable, then you can also create that one. You just need to be creative, and then you can make use of Google or Pinterest for you to look for ideas for your design. That is what I usually do. And then once you are done with your design, you can easily go to share. And over here, you can download this file. And if you will be creating a design for printables, then it's better that you will be choosing PDF standard or the PDF print, because this file types is perfect for printable art because the quality is so good compared to PNG and JPEG. PNG and JPEG are good if you will be creating design that is only for digital and not for print. So let me just go ahead and download this one as PDF print. So here's the download now. So for your mockup, guys, you can go to placeit.net, and here you can find different mockup for t-shirt, for mugs, for tote bags, and many more. So here I just go to art print, and these are the result that I got from them. But this platform, guys, is not for free. So for example, I will be choosing this one here. And here I can insert my image here, the PNG that we downloaded. So let me just go ahead, upload the file from my device. And that's how cute your printable look like in reality. And you can showcase that one to your customer for them to have an idea if what your printable design look like if they will be putting it in a frame and in their office. So you can go ahead and download this one. And as you can see, guys, this platform requests for a payment. So the other option that we can do here to get a mock-up for free, you just need to go to Google. So just search for artwork mock-up free. So let me just go ahead and look for a good design here that we can make use of. So for example, this one over here, I like this. So let me just go ahead and save this. So let me just go ahead and upload the file that I just downloaded. Alright, so we have our file here. So let me just go ahead and add it here inside our Canva. And then over here, we can also upload our designs. Alright, so here it is. So let me just go ahead and click on this. I will just go ahead and replace it over here. Alright, so I guess that's good. So that's how we can make our mock-up here also. So you can go ahead and download this one as PNG. So once you have your mock-up and you have your downloadable file, then you can start posting that one or upload that one on Etsy store. So you just need to create your account here and create your store and upload your downloadable product just like this one. So I guess that's all for today's video, and if you have any question, just comment down below, and thank you so much for watching.